Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks in accounting. First, let's understand its core purpose. QuickBooks is a powerful accounting software designed to streamline your financial management. It helps businesses of all sizes organize their income and expenses, track sales, and manage payroll with ease. This tool can significantly reduce the time spent on manual bookkeeping, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. QuickBooks offers a robust set of features essential for sound accounting. You can effortlessly track all your income and expenses, ensuring every transaction is recorded. Creating and sending customized invoices to clients is straightforward, helping you get paid faster. Managing bills and paying vendors on time is also simplified. Furthermore, the software generates detailed reports, providing valuable insights into your business's financial health. To start using QuickBooks, the first step is to set up your company file. This involves entering crucial business details like your company name, address, and industry type. Next, you'll customize your chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your financial organization. You can also easily import existing customer and vendor information, saving you significant time. This foundational setup ensures your accounting system is tailored to your specific business needs. Once set up, daily operations in QuickBooks become intuitive. Consistently record all your transactions, from sales to purchases, to maintain accurate books. Regularly reconcile your bank and credit card accounts to ensure everything matches up perfectly. Reviewing financial statements, such as the profit and loss statement and balance sheet, provides a clear picture of your business's performance. These reports are invaluable for making strategic and informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.